2, 3, 4. Worthy is the Lamb who was slain. Holy, holy is He. Sing a new song to Him who sits on heaven's mercy seat. Holy, holy, holy is the Lord God Almighty, who was and is to come. With all creation I sing praise to the King of Kings. You are my everything, and I will adore you. What's up, Jooba people? Welcome to another lesson. Today I'm showing you how to play Revelation song by Jaco. What an amazing song. It is such an old song but still really good. It uses 4 chords, except in the instrumental where they do a little bit of a key change. But for this lesson, it's going to be an easy lesson and we're not going to go into the other chords, okay? It's just going to be the main song, all the main parts where she sings. Okay, let's first go into the chords quickly. Let me give you guys a close-up of that. So the first chord in this song is a D. First finger there, second finger there, third finger there. Makes like a triangle shape. Alright, the second chord in this song is an A minor. If you have been following along in our worship course, then you will see this A minor used a lot. And then the C chord, which looks like that. Like an A minor, but just move 2 strings higher and 1 to the left. And then the G, like that. You can also add this ring finger at the bottom to give it a nice full sound. Otherwise you can just play these 2. So just to review, D, A minor, C, and G. That is also the chord progression for this song. Okay, so now that you have the chord progression and the chords, let's go through the strumming. The strumming is really simple. Let's mute all the strings. The strumming goes like this. 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a 1 and 2 and a 3 and 4 and a. Let's do that with the downs and ups. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up. Let's do it again a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Let's do it with an A minor chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, 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 up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Let's go to a C chord. 1, 2, 3, go. You can also play the song, just a side note, you can also play the song with the regular chords D and then A minor like that, and then this C, the big C, the pinky, or this C, the C add 9, and then this G. But this is an easy tutorial, so we're using the easy chords that we learned in our worship course. Okay guys, so that's it for the strumming. Let's do the strumming with a D chord. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do that again, but this time we're going to do the chord progression. So if we can have the chord progression there, D, A minor, C, and G. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Have a nice day, guys, and happy jamming. Enjoy the day. Stay cool.